Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Paysafecard to PayPal. Well, there is no direct way to do it as shown in some of the YouTube videos out there, as most of them are scam. I have tried them personally by sending a small amount of money from Paysaf to their particular platform and never received the money in my PayPal. So don't go with these methods. Instead, there is this workaround which is really time taking, as you have to send money from your Paysafecard card to Wise account. After that, you would have to send money from your Wise account to your bank account, and then from bank account to PayPal account. And this is the only way I have found so far. So first, send money from Paysaf to Wise, and after that click on send on Wise. After that, select either international or same currency according to your bank account. Suppose I want to send it to same currency bank, and just click on continue. After that, select the person who you want to send this money to. It is you actually, so send it to yourself. Select whether you want to send inside Europe or outside Europe. After that, you will be receiving this money into your bank account, and then open up your PayPal account after that. And over here, go to PayPal balances. Then when you click on this option of your bank, then you will be able to see update option over here. Just turn it to automatic transfers. This way, all the payments that you will be making using PayPal will be taking money from your bank account. And this is how you get your money into your PayPal account, or you can use wallet of PayPal in order to load your money into PayPal account. And this is the only way for you to look up to. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.